prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapira and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, and check the time. It's now 12:41 in the noon time. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the Home Sweet Happiness promo happening June 7 to the 21st. It's ongoing. Enjoy fantastic discounts on select general merchandise to brighten up your home decor, and stock up on your favorite foods with amazing deals on select food categories. Don't miss this incredible savings that brings both style and convenience to your home. Visit Royal Duty Free today and turn your house into a haven of happiness. All right. And as usual, shout out to everybody at Royal Duty Free, you guys. All right. Happy listening to you whenever you're gonna catch this. Hindi ko na isa-isahin ha, dami natin eh, no? Lahat kayo sa Royal Duty Free Store 1 and Store 2, mabuhay. Okay, visit their social media pages for more info about this promo. They're on Facebook, on Instagram, and especially, of course, the official website, www.royalsubic.com, where their catalog is always posted for the latest. Okay? You may also call 252-3258 landline hotline number for Royal Duty Free. All right. On with today's holidays and observances. And the famous birthday segment. What's going on for June 10? Ito yung mga observances for June 10. Ballpoint Pen Day. Marks the day of the invention of the ballpoint pen. A very important invention and a very small invention pero very important. Without ball pen, alam mo, di ba? Nakita niyo na ba yung post sa Facebook? Ball pen is very important. Without pen, you can't fill up forms. You can't answer the exam. Dahil wala kang pen, no education, no job, hirap ang buhay. Ang dami, humaba no? Dahil lang walang ball pen. So, for the ball pen to be invented, the ballpoint pen, the ballpoint must be invented first, di ba? Okay. Alcoholics Anonymous Founders Day. O yung mga mahilig kumain ng iced tea. Alam niyo ba yon? There was a time in Philippine politics where or in the it was all over the news. Kinain daw yung iced tea, parang gano'n. Naalala niyo pa? Today is also Egg Roll Day, something that's yummy for you. Forklift Safety Day. All right? Be a Miracle in Someone's Life Day. There you go. All right? Everybody has somebody who's like a miracle in their lives. You know who they are? Your parents. Sila yung unang-unang miracle in your life. Diba? You came out of this world because of them. All right? They did something. May ginawa sila. For those celebrating their birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Famous people celebrating the birthdays today include si Kuya Boji Dasig. Alright? Birth anniversary for him. He passed away in 2012. He is a Filipino singer-songwriter. Magaling na Filipino musician. You guys remember the song Bakit ba naman ngayon pa Boji's Law of Gravity. Yun yung pangalan ng band niya. June 10, 1963. Kuya Boji Dasig, happy birthday sa'yo. Okay? And Prince Philip, who passed away in 2021 before Queen Elizabeth. Alright? He is the father of the now king of the UK, King Charles. Alright? King Charles III. Ayan, siya yung heir to the British throne. And he was crowned just last year, 2023. Alright? Movie actress Judy Garland, birth anniversary for her also. She was born June 10, 1922, one of the most beautiful faces to grace the silver screen. And speaking of beautiful faces, Kate Upton, model and for Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue, all right, and actress also. She has appeared on TV and in TV series and TV shows. She was born June 10, 1992. R&B singer Faith Evans turns 51 today, June 10, 1973. All right. And The Professor, yung mga mahilig sa basketball, are you guys, you're probably familiar with The Professor. He has a lot of mixtapes on YouTube. And exactly, that's called End One Mixtape Tour, right? The Professor. June 10, 1984. Next up, we have Wen Junhui, who's a member of the boy band 17. All right. June 10, 1996, turns 28 today. Comedian Bill Burr, June 10, 1968, turns 56, one of my favorites. And movie actress Elizabeth Hurley turns 59 today, June 10, 1965. Movie actor DJ Qualls, he was in the movie Road Trip, Supernatural, Lost, Scrubs, Z Nation, marami pa no? He was born June 10, 1978, character actor. Alexandra Stan, you guys remember Mr. Saxo Beat? There you go. All right, June 10, 1989. Jonathan Bennett, who was Aaron Samuels in the comedy film Mean Girls. He was also on the TV series All My Children and the film Cheaper by the Dozen Part 2. And lastly, Elodie Grace Orkin, TV actress. She plays Angela on season 4 of Stranger Things. Turns 20 today. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. June 10, birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. I got a couple of friends to greet. All right? Happy birthday. Una na si happy birthday kay Ma'am Alec Dienzo of GBID. Ayan. Sabi ni Kuya Imoy, isa raw sa member ng Pork Chop Duo. May sariling pork chop duo ang GBID. Ayan. Pati na rin si paring Steve Ferrer. Si Kuya Steve. Kaibigan natin yan, si Kuya Steve. Happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Alright? Sino pa? Who else do we gotta greet? Aside from Kuya Stephen Ferrer, si Ate Rowena Feria, si Ate Weng. We call her Tita Weng. The tita of my dear little Tommy. And Ate Alisa, all right, happy birthday. And the ate of my ex-girlfriend, now roommate, Ruby Rose. Happy birthday sa'yo, Tita Weng. Have a good one and enjoy. Always remember the 4Gs love you. Oh, 5Gs na pala kami, kasama na si Talia, no? The 5Gs love you, all right? Okay, and here's our next song. Coming from one of today's birthday celebrants, Alexandra Stan. This is Mr. Saxo Beat, 895 Subic Bay Radio.